Benro's ArcaSmart line just got smarter. Introducing the ArcaSmart360, an innovative quick-release plate compatible with both Arca-Swiss and Manfrotto style systems. The magic behind the ArcaSmart360 is the dual functionality of the Panorama plate. One side features a 25-degree Manfrotto style dovetail, and simply rotate the plate 90 degrees and you have an Arca-Swiss compatible 45-degree dovetail. No need to worry about changing plates when swapping out your support gear, giving you more time to capture images. For existing heads without a pan feature, add this plate for a 360-degree panorama function, giving you more versatility with your shots. Simply unlock the knob to rotate, use the built-in scale for even more precision. When shooting portrait orientation, you can fine-tune your shot with ease. Its unique, hollow carved design reduces its overall weight, and a 3-in-1 screw allows for easy camera attachment and removal. For more Arca-compatible products, check out our other product videos. Go lighter and go smarter with the ArcaSmart360 plate from Benro. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.